changing your handle on YouTube to take it from one channel and apply it to another so it will appear in your link. For example, my channel now has youtube.com/@ashoffgrid as the handle, whereas previously it was on this channel. Now the way it works is slightly convoluted. Click on Customize Channel on the original channel with your handle. Scroll down to your handle and change it. Anything you want, just change it to something different. You then publish your channel, verify your publication, and then you have to do it a second time to another name. Basically, you're doing a one name, then a second, then a third. Now, you change it once, your original handle would not be available. You change it a second time, it will be available. So what you have to do is rename your handle twice. So the original name was Ash Offgrid. I then changed it to Ash Offgrid. I then changed it again to blah, 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 blah. So you've got to change it twice. And that makes your handle available for someone else, which is now applying to this channel. Why have I changed handle channels? Simple. I'm constantly getting grief from YouTube on this channel, even though I'm not doing anything wrong, anything illegal, not breaching any of their violations, simply because in the description I've got written down 100% human. That's the only reason. At one point I had 150,000 subscribers, never monetized because I don't tick the right due boxes. So now I'm going to transfer the handle to a new channel, actually it's an older channel, delete all the content and just start from scratch, basically. So I'm going to be deleting all these videos, which I've done a lot of, which is a shame, but still. That is how you change your handle on YouTube. On the channel that has your handle, you rename it once, publish it, so it is changed, and then change it again, publish it to something else. Then the original handle becomes available.